Welcome back, math champions. In today's lesson, we are solving 5 minus 3 open bracket, 5 minus 3 close bracket. Now, this type of problem can confuse a lot of students because we have brackets and multiplication implied. But don't worry, we'll carefully follow the order of operations, also called PEMDAS. Step 1. Always start inside the brackets. Inside the brackets, we have 5 minus 3. That gives us 2. So the expression now looks like 5 minus 3 times 2. Step 2, according to PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So we must calculate 3 times 2 before doing the subtraction. 3 times 2 equals 6. Now our expression becomes 5 minus 6. Step 3, now we finish with subtraction. 5 minus 6 equals -1. So the final answer to 5 minus 3 open bracket, 5 minus 3 close bracket is -1. This example is very important because it shows how brackets and the order of operations can completely change the answer. If you ignore PEMDAS, you could easily get the wrong result. Remember, first solve inside the brackets, then handle multiplication or division. Finally, do addition and subtraction from left to right, and that's how we get the correct result, -1. If you enjoyed this explanation, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more clear and powerful math tutorials. Together, we'll master every math challenge step by step.